Is quality time your partner's love language? Here are some unique suggestions on how to spend quality time with your partner. Number 1, conduct a teach me session. Teach something you're good at to your partner and vice versa. Not necessarily a life-changing skill. It could be as simple as making a sound by touching your heart palate with your tongue. Number 2, have a mystery box day. You and your partner will give a surprise box to each other. This may contain gifts, treats, or a game. This is perfect when you're celebrating a special occasion together. Number 3, repeat your first date. Revisit the place where you had your first date. Then do a reenactment on what transpired on that day. This will relieve the excitement and feeling you felt when you first met. If quality time is your partner's love language, shared presence and undivided attention matter most. So when you're together, all eyes on your partner unless you want a side eye.